In this video, I will share with you how to create your own freelancing marketplace website like Fiverr, Upwork or freelancer.com. As you can see, this is our freelancing marketplace website homepage design. We will create exactly like this website. I hope homepage design is very professional. I hope like this. You add your own company logo or your website logo. Just go to admin panel and then you control your website, all kind of features and functionality. Just go to admin panel. Yes, you get most powerful admin panel, control your freelancing website. And then our website customer or client or freelancer specific search their own product or project or service. And then as you can see, this is our website login or registration option, and this is our website banner section. You change this banner section, just go to admin panel and then change every kind of website homepage design or text and add your website branding logo and how to works your website, like add your website image or text. And as you can see, this is our website client submitted job. Our freelancer view this job and then apply this job. As you can see, this is our website service category type, and show your website homepage, freelancer service, all list, and show your website homepage, your website blog post. And then as you can see, this is our website footer section. I hope homepage design is very professional. I am like this homepage design. Just any kind of freelancer or client, just click on the get started and then register their own account or create their own account in your website. For this, submit here information step by step, client or freelancer. As you can see, two types like client or freelancer. As you can see, I am already created account. Now I will discuss just how to works client account or freelancer account. I am first login freelancer account. Just logging to your account. As you can see, this is our website freelancer account dashboard. Yes, you sell your premium subscription, like premium subscription package. You sell this package and lot of earn money. After that, as you can see, this is our freelancer account total balance or their total project complete or their remaining project, and our website freelancer their account step by step control using this section. As you can see, you get many section control their account. Now I am just log out this account. Now I am login our client account. Just I am click on the client account and then login our client account. You can see this is our client account login. As you can see, our client account dashboard, client their account control step by step using this many functionality. Now I am going to admin panel, because you know, I hope how to works admin panel. Admin panel works your everything website control using admin panel. As you can see, this is our admin panel dashboard. You control your website, any kind of functionality or features just using this admin panel. Just log in admin panel and then control your freelancing marketplace website, everything features or functionality. As you can see, you get many feature functionality, control your freelancing marketplace website. You add automatic payment gateway. As you can see, many automatic payment gateway. Yes, you using this many payment gateway at your website. This payment gateway using our freelancer or client subscription by your package or our client order using this payment gateway, and then our freelancer order their project using this payment gateway. I hope like this freelancing website PHP script. Now I will discuss step by step how to create like this freelancing website step by step. Please watching this full video. Now you need premium source code to create your own freelancing marketplace website like Fiverr, Upwork or freelancer.com. As you can see, this is our premium source code. Check the video description. I will give you of this premium source code discount link in the video description. Please check video description and get your discount link. You just purchase this source code one time and then you use this source code in your website lifetime. Yes, you get lifetime update version or you get lifetime developer support. So you purchase just one time this source code and then use your website this source code lifetime. So now I will share with you how to purchase this source code. For this, click on the add to cart button. Now click on the go to checkout. Now create your own Ingbato account or Codetai account using Google, Apple or Facebook, or you using others option like submit your first name, last name, submit your email, submit your password, and then create your own Ingbato or Codetai account. I am already create my Ingbato or Codetai account, so now I am login my account. As you can see, I am successfully logged in my Ingbato or Codetai account. Now submit your billing details. Must be submit your billing details here. Information step by step, like submit your first name, last name, your company name, select your country, and then submit your own address. I am already submit my billing details information step by step. So now I am click on the save and continue button. Now using two international payment method purchased of this premium source code, using your own banking card or using your own PayPal account to purchase of this premium source code. I am now using my banking card to purchase of this premium source code. Now I am submit my banking card information here step by step. As you can see, I am already submit my banking card information here. Now I am click on the pay securely button. Now as you can see, I am successfully purchased of this premium source code. Now I am going to download section. After that, download your source code information step by step. For this, click on the download button. At first, download your source code file or documentation zip file, and then download your source code license certificate or purchase code PDF, and then download your source code license certificate or purchase TXT file. You must download like these three files. As you can see, I am already download three files. You must download like these three files. Now you need domain hosting to publish your freelancing marketplace website online. My personally advise you purchase domain hosting from Namecheap website, because Namecheap website give you super fast hosting. This hosting help your website loading speed super fast. Check the video description. I will give you Namecheap website discount link in the video description. Please check the video description and get your discount link. You can find all type of hosting server on this Namecheap website. Now we will learn how to purchase a shared web hosting server. You can select the hosting server location based on your specific needs. And you should definitely choose an annual plan for better value. Here you can see three wonderful packages. You can choose any package from here and purchase it, no problem. However, my personal advice is that you should definitely purchase the Stellar Business package or number 3 package, because in this package you get automatic backup and cloud storage, which is very important for every website. Also, you get a free domain with this package. Now we will purchase the 3 package or Stellar Business package. For this, we have to click on the Get Started button. Now we can choose a new domain for free. For this, you will need to enter any domain name of your choice here. Here you can see that you can get this domain absolutely free. You can choose any domain of your choice. Then we will connect this domain to our hosting. Now we need to click on the Add to Cart button. We must confirm the order. Now we need to create an account on Namecheap. For this, we need to submit the correct account information here. We have submitted the information correctly. Now we need to click on the create account and continue button. Then we have to submit our own address here step by step. You must submit your own address here step by step. Now we need to click on the continue button. Then we will select here. Now we will click on the continue button again. We can purchase domain hosting using various international automatic payment method. For example, you can pay through PayPal, or you can pay through various type of international card and various
cryptocurrency. Now we will learn how to make payment via banking card. For this, we need to submit the correct card information here. Now we need to confirm the purchase by clicking here. Then we will confirm all our information by clicking here. Now we must click on the continue button. Now we need to confirm terms and condition of the Namecheap website. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking the pay now button. We have successfully purchased domain and hosting from Namecheap. So let's go to main dashboard of our hosting panel. Then we will go to hosting list section. Now we can easily log in to cPanel by clicking on this button.
As you can see, this is our cPanel dashboard. Now check of the source code server requirement. As you can see, our server requirement 8.2 PHP 8.2. Now check your cPanel PHP version. For this, you go to PHP tweak section. As you can see, I am already select PHP 8.3. You must select PHP high level version. You select PHP 8.2 because our server requirement PHP 8.2, or no problem, you select PHP high level version like PHP 8.3 or PHP 8.4, no problem. Now I am go to cPanel dashboard. Now you find out file section and then go to file manager. After that, now go to public HTML folder. I'm now going to our downloaded 3 source code folder. As you can see, we will already download 3 files. Now extract this zip file. Now go to extract folder. You must upload install folder in your cPanel or hosting panel. For this, open your documentation, and then in this section we will learn how to install our source code or how to customize our website. You must follow documentation step by step. Now upload install zip file in your cPanel or hosting panel. I am now upload my cPanel. Now find out install file. As you can see, our zip file uploading in our cPanel, so please wait some time. As you can see, our zip file successfully uploading in our cPanel. Now I am click on the go back to. Now extract this zip file. Click on the extract and then click on the extract files. As you can see, our zip file extract is successful. Now delete this zip file. Now enter your domain name in your browser. Now as you can see, our installation page. Now I am click on the start installation process. Now check your all file permission. For this, click on the go to next step. Now upload your purchase code. Go to your downloaded file. Now open txt file, copy this purchase code and then put this purchase code here. Now click on the continue button. Now submit your database information step by step here. For this, we will learn how to create database in our cPanel. You find our database section and then go to database widget. Now enter your database name. I am enter data. Now click on the next step. Now enter your database username. I am enter user data. Now submit your database password. I am using password generator. I am now copy this password and then this password paste here. Yes, I am using this password. Now I am click on the create user. Now I am copy this database information step by step and then paste this database information here. I am now copy user database name and then I am now copy database name, database host name, localhost. Now connect user data or database name. For this, click on the all probabilities, click on the make change. As you can see, we will successfully create database. Now click on the continue button. Now input SQL file. After that, submit your website login information like admin information, admin name, and email. Submit your system name and submit my website name, and select your default currency. Must be used dollar. Now click on the continue button. As you can see, this is our default freelancer and client login information. We will successfully install in our source code. Now our freelancing marketplace website is ready. Now log in your admin panel and then customize your website step by step. Just you enter domain/admin. Now submit admin login information here. As you can see, this is our admin dashboard. You control your website, any kind of feature or functionality in your admin panel. Just log in your admin panel and then control your website, everything feature or functionality. Now customize your website step by step using this admin panel. As you can see, many functionality included in your admin panel. Using this functionality and then customize your website step by step. At first, you add your own payment gateway. As you can see, you get many payment gateway. Add your payment gateway must be, and then you control your website step by step using this admin panel. You don't understand how to customize your website or how to control your admin panel, please contact us. I help you how to customize your admin panel or how to create your professional freelancing marketplace website. Please contact us. Thank you so much for watching this full video.